Hey guys, this is Roger 27 with Blue Braid Tactical. Since this is our first video, I just wanted to state some things in case people want to say anything about the videos. My personal opinion, and I think I voiced for a lot of the other guys, is that we're not out to show you the right way to set up your gear or what the right gear is or what you need to buy. It's just we're showing you what we prefer. It's all personal preference. And me personally, I believe that a comfortable person is the more efficient person. If you're comfortable with your gear and what you have, you can make it work to your advantage. If you're uncomfortable and you're not used to what you have, you're not going to be able to work with it as easy. So, in other words, don't do stuff just because we do it and our way isn't the right way or the wrong way. We're just out here to show you what we do, and you can base your own opinions off what we do and do things your way. So I just wanted to get that out of the way up front. So everything you see here is just my personal preference. It's not the right way or the wrong way. I'm going to go ahead and start you off. This is the it's made by Camelback. It's called the Tactical 5, or the Delta 5 tactical vest. They quit making them probably, I want to say, about 8 months ago. They're sold out all over the internet in stores. You can't find them anymore. When they were selling in stores, I got mine for about $150. It's extremely good material. I've owned other tactical vests, and this one's one of the best ones I've owned. It's extremely lightweight. It's very breathable. You can see here it's really thin. You can pretty much see through it. But it's very thin, a lot of MOLLE gear, a lot of MOLLE webbing to add more stuff. It's got really good padded shoulders. I like them. They're very comfortable. They're adjustable on the inside. It's a nice feature. There's not too much Velcro on it, which is good for me. I'm not a big fan of Velcro, so you've just got Velcro here, there, and there. That's pretty much it. The D-clips here I've added, and the multicam cover on the straw I've added. I actually stripped it down, stripped everything off so I could show it to you how it comes out of the box. But the name tape I've also added. But it actually has a drag handle in case you go down. Somebody can, drag you much easier than having to find a place to grab on. It's got very nice adjustable points. It can become very large, or me personally, I like my gear not really tight but snug, and that's how it fits me. It has inside pockets, both zipped and Velcro. I don't use them, but I could see where it would be an advantage for some people. The back is very padded. I haven't had a problem with it. It's very comfortable for me. It's still lightweight. It doesn't really add any weight. One of the features I don't like, but doesn't bother me that much, is the way the bladder is on the inside and hangs in, to where if you want to refill the vest, you actually have to take the whole thing off, open the back, pull the bladder out because it's backwards in there, and then you have to fill it up. So it's a negative, but I think the positives outweigh the negative with the vest. That's about all I've got on the basic vest by itself. Like I said, it's very lightweight, very comfortable. A lot of things you can add, change to it, do whatever you want. I've already added the multicam tube cover, the D-clips. I found that those are very handy when you can use them anytime. And then got my name tape sewn on. I don't prefer Velcro, like I said. So that's just the basic vest, and I'm going to go put all the stuff back on it and then show you what all I've done with it. Alright guys, I'm back. Got all the pouches put back on. I guess just to make it simple, I'm going to start from one side, work my way over. most of the pouches you see here are made by Blackhawk. They were just the ones that I found at the local store, and I seem to like Blackhawk a lot, so I'm going to stick with it for now. These magazine pouches, normally they have a little tab up here that holds these two things together, but I tested it out with it, and then I actually took an old magazine pouch and cut that piece off because I felt that maybe I could do it faster, remove the magazine faster without that. Turned out I could. I guess just for me, it's easier to manipulate them and pull the magazine out when the tab isn't on there, and then to close them back when the tab isn't on there. For me personally, it's faster. So I went ahead and removed those. I don't plan on sticking with just 2 magazines. I'm actually working on getting some more magazine pouches right now, the same ones. What I'm going to do is put one more over here, move these back, put one more here, and then stack one there and one there to where they run in the middle of the back 3. I figure I'd rather have that than one all the way out to the edge to where it's like a block shape. It'd be kind of uncomfortable if I had to lay down or anything. And that actually does make a difference. Makes it harder to shoot laying down if you got a lot of stuff bulging out. Then if I'll go back up here real quick. I showed you earlier, but I'll show you again. I ordered the multicam tube cover. Originally it's just that coyote tan underneath of there, but I'm trying to match it all together. I'm like that. I don't know why. I guess I have OCD. I had my name tape sewn on, like I said earlier. This pouch here, it's perfectly sized for an MRE. I put it on. That's actually the intentions I had when I bought it, was to use it for MREs. Just carry around an MRE. If you're going to be out longer than a day, it's nice just to know you have that extra safety net there of something to eat. I kept having problems with it when I had my sling on. My sling would get caught up on it, and if you look at it, it's actually tapered down now. If you compare the back here to the front is tapered down, and that's because my sling kept getting caught up on it when it stuck out, and it was causing problems. So I actually took it to a local place and had them seam it down on just the top half, and I don't have that problem anymore, so that solved my problem. Moving on down, I got another pouch down here. It's just, right now it's just full of random stuff like tools and whatever to work on my AR. That's not what I plan on leaving in there. Right now I'm not really focused on what I'm going to put in it too much. I am enough to figure out what pouches I need to buy, but right now I'm more focused on getting the vest together. I just put these little D-clips on here. I know when we're out in the field doing training a lot, you know, somebody's always looking for one for something, so they're really handy for the smallest things. So I just try to keep a bunch of them around, and I'm not using that space for anything else, so put a few on there. This pouch here I actually bought before all those, just kind of an impulse buy. It's a really good pouch. I like it for what it does, but I don't like the fact that it's not multicam. Just one of those OCD things. I've looked everywhere and I can't find the same pouch made in multicam, and it's perfect for what I need. I mean, it holds my flashlight and everything perfectly, and so I don't know, I prefer it. And so since I couldn't find another multicam, I'm just gonna replace this one pouch with multiple pouches in multicam that'll do the same thing. I've actually already got one of these on the way, just this piece in multicam. I just have to replace those two. I don't like a whole lot of stuff on the front of my vest because up here's where my stock's going to be. I don't want it running into stuff. And then on this side I draw my magazines, so I don't want my hands running into anything. But that's most of the adjustments I've made so far. Like I said, I'm gonna get more magazines for it, and I'll keep you updated when I get more stuff and add it to it. It's extremely comfortable with all the gear on, and it just, the way it's shaped, it's very ergonomical. My arms aren't running into stuff, and it still holds everything I need. And I've purchased another one, and I'm going to get all the same pouches and everything. I'm setting that one up for my girlfriend. So when I start on that one, I'll let you guys watch me go through the process of that one too. But this is what I got so far. So thanks for watching, guys.